Hi all, in this video I am going to demo about YesBook invoice software to generate STACA e-invoice with compliant with SATA QR code A3 format and download XML to send a live invoice to the STACA portal. So let's take a quick look into the demo. In this software we are developed using VB.NET and MS SQL databases. So after the user registration and device registration, we have to log in using username and password. Click OK. After the login, we can view the dashboard view. In this dashboard view, we can view the insight about business data like payable amount, receivable amount, stock value, cash amount, and bank balance and sales purchase with a given date period. So here we have the master menu. In this master menu, we have a customer menu, vendor, product. We already enter the customer name, vendor, and product. So here I already added some customer and vendor and product detail. Here the second menu is a sales. Under sales menu, that is a tax invoice. We can press the F8 key directly, then open the tax invoice. Here we can select the customer by code. I choose customer name and enter the. We can fetch the customer detail, customer address, and tax registration number and state. Here we can select the salesperson code, product code. Here, if you know the product code, we can type directly product name. So, or else we can scan the barcode or QR code from the product label. We select the product. So else we can type the product code. If you don't know the product code, we can search the product from the master. Here if you don't I don't know the product code, I press the enter key. Here product search window open. Here I select the product by searching the product name. So I select the product name, enter. Here I enter the quantity. We can change the sales price. Here I can change the price 98. So after adding the list of the line item, uh, I press the save button. Here the invoice is generated. After generating invoice, we can click the send to Stacka for real time transmit to the real time the invoice transfer to the Stacka portal. If the portal is down, we can download the PDF A3 format or save XML file for later upload. If internet connection or our system is down, we can later save the XML file or PDF file as a e-invoice. We can print the invoice as per the stack compliance with QR code. Here I click the view button. We can view the stack compliance e-invoice with QR code. It is scannable. You can validate through the Stacka portal. Just open the app. You can scan the QR code to validate the e-invoice compliance with the Stacka portal. So here I we give the some various paper size format. Here you can choose 3 inches. Here the 3 inches simplified and detailed standard and simplified invoice based on the cash. If you choose the cash sales with the unregistered customer or consumer direct to the, we can print the 3 inches simplified invoice here with the stack e-compliance. Here bottom we can search and view button. We can list the get the you can view the data from here and export the PDF. Here click the PDF file. You can export as a PDF file in a folder which will save in Dropbox folder. Here may can import the PDF file. So here there's a purchase menu. You can enter the purchase detail. Here accounts menu, cash received payment, vouchers, journal. You can enter cash received, cash payment, bank received, bank payment, and journal. Here the trail balance. It's a trail balance, and you can view the report, inventory report. Here you can the stock report, customer outstanding, trail balance, input bad, output bad, balance sheet, and here the balance sheet. It's some basics accounting reports are there. We can customize as per your business model. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. If you need a custom invoice software with Stacker compliance invoice, feel free to contact. For free trial, please registration and download link given in the video description. Contact me via WhatsApp for trial version installation. So online support, we can install through the online. We can given the training also. The link in the given description. I given the link in description. Please register. We will get back you for trial installation. If you need any custom development, please feel free to contact. My WhatsApp number is given to the description. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.